You from UK?
Yeah, I'm from the UK.
Okay. What do you do for life?
I'm a mum, so I'm a full-time mum.
Full time mom?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a baby.
What do you do?
Okay.
Yeah.
How many kids you have? One baby?
How many? Yeah, I got one. Yeah, one.
Oh, okay. On baby. Okay. How is weather there today?
The weather's really bad. Raining.
Oh, yeah. It's getting the cold weather here.
Yeah.
Do you get snowfall?
No, hardly ever. We don't ever get snow here.
Oh, which city do you live in?
I live in Cardiff City.
Oh, Cardiff City. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's
Yeah.
what, Barbie? I like to see the
Yeah.
blonde hair woman. It looks very
Thank
beautiful.
you, Daddy.
Really, look. Wish I could toss your hair. Just doing fun, okay? I like to make fun actually.
Yeah.
Okay, you such a
Yeah.
and even you are brown eyes. Brown eyes makes me so stunning.
I got blue eyes.
Yeah, okay. So how old are you are?
My eyes are not brown.
How old are you are?
What?
How old are you are?
22.
Okay, but
22.
yeah, okay, I have it's a mystery question I would like to ask you. So at the age of
Yeah.
early, 22 is not a big age. You still young. Is it your decision that to take the baby at your early age?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. So you got married?
I don't believe in marriage.
Uh,
Everyone cheats.
oh, okay. So you don't believe marriage?
No, I don't believe in marriage.
Oh, but oh, that's why you got the baby with the contact.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. Do you want to get married in the future?
No.
Do you have boyfriend now?
No.
You are still single.
Yeah.
How do you go with the
Very
single?
much.
How do you go with the single life?
I really enjoy single life. I'm
Oh,
in a time down to the taps. Yeah, it's really good. Get freedom
oh,
and
yeah.
no one cheats.
Okay, but in the future, and you know what? I like to know the your culture also. So, in the future, in the near the
Yeah.
future, do you want to make friendship closely with anyone, someone?
No.
It do. Oh my goodness! So, it's really good fun. Also, it's I understand. I'm really enjoying just talking to you. Uh, really
Yeah.
so proud to me, Johnny, send a dragon. Then we can talk more, a lot more with you.
Literally.
Literally.
I'm
Yeah.
weak.
Anthony, well done. Thank you, Anthony.
Thanks.
You're such a nice man. Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Save your phone.
I know.
What kind of phone you use? What kind of brand your phone is?
iPhone.
Apple?
Yeah.
How much it was?
My phone. I have my phone's on contract.
Oh, contract. You have to
So
pay.
I pay every
You
month.
have. Do you?
Yeah, I don't have to pay no more now because my phone's paid off. Yeah.
Oh, that's really so cool. Okay, so it's really a good
Yeah.
system. Just so approximately how much you have to pay for a Apple phone, Apple 15?
If in the UK, if you wanted to buy an Apple phone, it would cost around £900.
900 pound, almost a grand,
Yeah.
almost a grand.
It's the best phone. Yeah. Yeah, it's
My,
really expensive.
really so
Really
expensive.
expensive.
Okay, where is your baby now? Oh,
She's with me.
I got a baby sound. Oh, nice. I'm happy to hear the baby sound.
Yeah.
I like baby.
Do you? Do you have any babies?
No, I don't have any baby, but I like the baby sound, or even I like to take care of baby.
Yeah.
You a full time work for mom, so how do you carry your expense. It's very expensive to carry there, as I know.
Yeah, I get paid benefits, so I
From
get money.
from government.
Yeah.
Everybody is
Right,
sleeping.
Gazzy, I love doing a PK with you, but I'm really busy now, so I have to go. But I'm gonna
Oh,
go back on later, okay?
okay, okay. Thank you so much. Have
Okay,
a.
bye, Gazzy.
I'm really.
Appreciate you.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.